Did you know that you can do perfectly boiled eggs in the air fryer? I'll show you the simple method, but first let me show how they turns out. These were boiled in the air fryer using no water at all and they came out all perfect with no green bits. I'm going to show you how. So first you place your eggs in the air fryer depending on how many you can fit in. I'm doing it for 11 minutes at 120 degrees Celsius, which will give me hard boiled eggs. They are done now, although they look raw. But believe me, they are done. You gotta put them in icy cold water, that's what I'm doing, and let them sit there until they cools down, which takes just few minutes. Once that wait is over, you can take them and I like to crack the ends and then roll it gently so that all the shells are cracked. Now you can gently peel off the skin and do that gently. And after that, you can see that your eggs were boiled just perfect with only yellow yolk and no greens at all. If you want soft boiled eggs, you gotta leave them less time, something around 8 to 9 minutes, and I'll show you that in my next video.